Hi, this is Arpit Nagar here from Tricentis. Today we are going to learn how to check if text contains part of your text. So by this I mean that if you have a text and you want to verify certain part of your text, then how you gonna achieve with the help of Tosca. So I'm taking an example. So I quickly jump to Tosca. So basically for this I'm using tbox set buffer module in two ways. So first, this is my test case where I'm verifying whether the certain text is present in my particular text or not. So first, with the help of tbox set buffer module, I'm setting a test buffer, and within the test buffer, this is a text I'm buffering. So I want to verify whether this Tricentis accelerate is present in the particular text or not. So if you give the input in the set buffer, it will buffer all the text in the buffer and with the name of test. And then with the same module, I'm gonna verify with the different action mode, which is verify by having a wildcards before Tricentis and after accelerate means that it will escape all the characters before Tricentis and after accelerate. So this is a use of wildcards. So if you want to escape characters and verify the particular text in a particular field, so you need to have this wildcards to get excluded the particular text. So this is how you can do it. So if I quickly run this, so it will verify whether my Tricentis accelerate is present in a particular text or not. So as you can see on the screen, first the buffer is set to test with a particular paragraph which I having, and within the paragraph I'm gonna verify whether Tricentis accelerate are present in a particular paragraph with the name test or not. So this is how you can do it. So hope you like the video. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Here at the Tricentis Academy, we aim to provide you with educational services that suit your needs, including role-based trainings where you can become certified specialists, video tutorials, MOOCs and more. To learn more about the Academy, visit www.tricentis.com/academy.